In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can keep everything organized: images, data, orders, all that stuff that makes volume photography actually work, using your exported images and data workflow into hhschools. So the first thing you do when you create your project is add the package group, the price list that you're going to be using. Set your color correction method and import the data from that other application. You're going to map the files to image name column, and if there's more than one image for that particular person, then you're going to map that to record number. That's what hhschools use for the subject IDs. Then you're going to come to import and grab those images and import that by giving it a camera name to reference. Once those images are imported, then you're going to be able to review all the information and data that you just brought into hhschools. If you need to rotate the images, you can do that here. And then it's time to start culling the images down for best pose. So here I'm going to choose the subject ID has at least 2 or more images, and from here I can cull down by choosing the best pose or removing poses I know that I don't want. Each screen is designed to show all the images just for that one particular subject or person, and if they come to the camera more than one time, I can see all those images on the same screen. We're going to continue and repeat this for all the images in the project. And once that's done, then we're ready to import all of the online prepay orders that you've collected already. From Imago, you can take all of those formatted specifically for hhschools. Here's where you can review all the information that's about to be imported, and then click that import button. Once you do that, the first thing it's going to do is show you a confident match of all the orders that is able to correctly match using a first name, last name, and a B rank field. Then it's going to show you the orders where it's going to be able to find a near match and wants to ask you to confirm that selection to make sure that is correct, or to skip that and come back to it later on. Once that's complete, then you can go ahead and actually start sending the images off to the lab. That'll allow us to continue with the image color correction knockout services while you're continuing to finish up the order preparation. While that's happening, then you're going to come in and import all of your custom graphics into our setup product graphics screen for each of the products that you want to offer that are unique. After that, you can come in and crop all the images. Now, the first thing it's going to show you is the print crop, where the green box is going to be the 8x10 and the orange lines will be the 5x7s. Once you have that first image set, then you can use crop forward to apply that same adjustment to every image after that, and then continue on to make additional tweaks and adjustments for those images using the head, oval, and crop guidelines to make sure all those images are consistent in their size and placement. Once you move from that, then you can move into any unique crops that you need for things like ID cards or other service items that need a different image crop, or those specialty products where you want to make sure that the head isn't going to have a hole in it or have any improper cropping applied to that. You're going to be able to review that for all of the specialty products with a unique crop. The great thing about this is the first initial crop you'll see is the print crop. Then you can make one adjustment and apply that same adjustment to every image after that. Once you've finished all the cropping, you can do any mass image editing adjustments, adding information like school name or year, league, and at that point, now it's ready to upload that order to the lab. So we're going to come into the Create Package Order screen, where you can choose things like how you want to have those envelopes packaged, if you want them open or closed, mailed to the studio, or drop shipped on directly to the school or to the home. Do you want to have those images uploaded to an online gallery for review and download delivery? Have a label added to the outside of each envelope, and even add an insert in the packing slip for gallery access in case you're not getting emails from the school or league. Then you can choose how the envelope should be sorted when they are shipped so that they can come back and easy to deliver. And then finally, you can complete and prepare that order to review what's about to be submitted, and then upload that order to the lab for full production. And that's the whole flow. So create the project, photograph the students, import into hhschools, cull, crop, and submit the order. This is the exact process volume photographer uses every day, and that's what makes their season smoother, faster, and honestly just way less stressful.